You can expect a lot from the 2017 Fiat 500e. This two-door, four-passenger hatchback still has less than 15,000 miles. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.